Greetings everyone. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Chesona ArmorDock Pro keyboard case for iPad Pro 13-inch. The ArmorDock Pro keyboard case comes in two colors, black and white. For this unboxing, the color is black. The packaging has a distinct professional look to it. The packaging has no shrink wrap plastic and is eco-friendly. And Chesona tells us that this particular case is geared for photographers and videographers, audio professionals, and online educators, and even developers and engineers. And to open the case, there are 4 taped circles on the back that we're just going to take off here. And we will remove the cover, and there we are. Set that aside. And there's some instructions here which show you how to insert the iPad, connecting it up, and using the pen tray. I always like nice instructions. And we can take this guy out of the box, and I kind of like the minimalist packaging. It's easy to remove. There's not a lot of tape or styrofoam or any of that kind of stuff. And we'll slide it out of here. And the first thing I notice is this looks, really rugged on the outside. It's grippy. It looks like it could sustain a pretty good drop and protect your iPad pretty well. And there's a metal piece on the bottom here, which covers an expansion slot. And got rubber feet on it. And on the right side, we have one USB-C port that supports PD charging, one USB-C rubber cable that powers the case, one USB-A port for external expansion, and one 3.5mm audio port. And on the top, we have one opening for a microphone, one slide-out tray for the Apple Pencil Pro, one volume up and down button, and one small notch on the bottom so it's easier to open and close the case. And on the left side, we have one power button, 2 openings for speakers, one HDMI port, and one SDTF card slot. So we'll open the case and take a good look at this. And opening it up, it certainly looks like it's ruggedized and it would protect your iPad really well. The trackpad looks pretty good, pretty decent size. The keyboard itself looks to be a decent size, and it has the 6 rows of keys. And Chesona mentions that the ArmorDock Pro keyboard has scissor switch keys with 1.2 to 1.3mm travel and 125 degrees of optimal typing angle. I think this keyboard case is unique in that it's very laptop-like with the expansion USB-C ports and the headphone jack and the internal storage, and it also protects your iPad really well. And being geared for more professional use, I can understand how it needs to be ruggedized and need the expansion, and it definitely fulfills those categories. And the keys have good travel and they don't seem cheap. And we're going to put the iPad in the case, which is pretty easy. Put the bottom in first, and you can see the keys are lit up here, and they do change colors. There's a key on the keyboard to do that. The hinge works fairly well, and when you close it, it's pretty well protected from everything. It does add a little bit of weight, but not that bad for a ruggedized type of iPad case. So this being a pre-production, pre-release model that they sent me, has a few little things that I noted and sent to them, and they said all those things would be addressed before production. So this case also comes with a tool so we can remove this metal plate. And that's where the SSD NVMe slot is located, where you can attach internal storage. Just running the keyboard and the trackpad through some paces here to do some iPad-like commands and such, and it all worked well. Here I like when the case is open, it angles down a little bit so your palms rest better and for typing. And we're going to attach some external storage here. I have a USB-C SSD that I connected, everything worked good there. Here we're going to try an SD card slot, so we put that in there and we can access that no problem. And here's a USB-A, and we're going to connect that in and check that out, everything's fine there. And next we're going to try an Apple Pencil in here, and we're going to lift up the pen slot and insert that in there. It goes in pretty nicely, stays in there securely. The final thoughts here, I think this case is ruggedized, it offers a lot of protection, it offers a lot of internal and external storage expansion, and I think some of the things like the going to sleep of the iPad when you close it will be addressed by production time with magnets or an on-off switch, and also the keyboard lighting will be fixed. And that is the Chesona ArmorDock Pro keyboard case for iPad Pro 13-inch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.